How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to do a vein workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. I got Sparky with me, you guys. Say hi, Sparky. Sparky, say hi. Okay, she's just chilling. Sparky, love. Okay, she's just chilling on me. She wants some rubs. So anyways, the exercise that we're going to be doing today is called curling our fingers. It's a great vein workout. It's going to help your forearms. It's going to help your wrists. It's going to help your hand, get you all those kinds of veins. And if you guys don't believe me, you guys can look at my forearm striation just like this. You guys can see how developed my forearm striation is just by doing these exercises. Like my forearms are very developed. You see some veinage. It's from doing simple exercises like this. And again, this lighting is awful. This is the worst lighting. So earlier today, I was cutting the grass. My veins were popping really, really good. So let's get started. Hand curling the fingers. I mean, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your hand like this, and then you're gonna curl inwards. So just like that. So 3. So again, this is what I'm doing. 4, 5. And you can see my forearm. Look when I'm doing this. Look at it. See that? See my forearm right here being worked, right in here? See my arm getting worked? See this muscle getting worked? It's amazing because it's so simple that not a lot of people do this exercise, but the results that you get just from doing simple squeezing exercises are amazing. And that's what a lot of professionals do when they're trying to build muscle, is that they will literally do a lot of flexing their arms, shoulders, legs, forearms, stuff like that. And they even said that it helps them to get bigger. It helps them to get more vascular, because technically when you're doing this, you're literally working out your forearms, you're working your arms, you're working your veins. You're just not using weight, which weight is good. You should be using it, but it's not always necessary if you want to get good results. So yeah, veins, I highly recommend curling your fingers. The thing when doing this is anyone can do this. They can do it just like this, like really weak. You want to do it really hard, kind of like you're shaking someone's hand really, really hard. That's what you want to do. You want to put a lot of pressure and a lot of effort. That's how you're going to get a good workout. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Sparky says bye too. Right, Sparky? Okay, bye. Woof.